Hello, Assalamu alaikum. This is consultant engineer Taha Khalil, and I want to speak to you about a subject that everybody's talking about. Have you ever heard about a phrase called management commitments? Management commitments. Everyone is talking about management commitments. It's like a buzzword in the safety industry, in any industry. But really, what does it mean? Let me share with you a story. A story might clarify this management commitments phrase. I never forget the day that one of my CEOs he was passing by and visiting one of my sites, and I was supervising one of the construction sites. And he walked the talk on safety. We were about to start the project, and the CEO came and to the site and gave a pickup talk. He talked about how important safety was to us and to all the workers, and how all had responsibility to make sure that everybody had to go home safe at the end of the day. Well, it's a powerful speech. That was not the end. The CEO himself did something that is surprising to me. He put a hard hat, safety helmet, glasses, and walked with us through the construction site. He looked at everywhere what we were doing, and he asked unique questions about the safety procedures and the progress. So many of those questions. But it was very clear that that CEO was very serious about safety. Yeah, he wasn't just talking the talk. No, he was really walking the talk. He was walking the talk. Well, that visit made me a big impression, and I would never forget it in my life. That day, I learned that management commitment to safety is not just a buzzword. It's about setting a good example, showing the employees that safety is important. When managers walk the talk, it sends a message that safety is everybody's responsibility, everyone's responsibility. Let me say in short, when I say management commitments, it's a series of willingness to put the resources, the efforts to create a safe working place for the workers. So what will be included in this management commitments? Well, so many things. Investing in the safety, either safety training, safety culture, holding employees responsible, promoting safety, as I said, walking the talk, and more than that. It's just beyond the talk. It's also about setting the good examples. When managers walk the talk, they demonstrate their commitment to the safety. They demonstrate it. Yeah, they send the message to employee that safety is important. I just wanted to correlate that buzzword management commitments to this example. So how can you tell me if your management is committed about safety? Are they committed? Your management, are they committed to safety? Some questions about that might give you some tips whether they are or not, they are committed or not. Does the safety training or safety equipment get prioritized? Is there a strong safety culture in your company? Are your employees held accountable? Do your managers walk the talk? Do they demonstrate that their commitments to their people? If your answer to these questions are yes, then your management is likely committed to safety. But if your answer is not to any of them, then it might be a time to have a conversation with them, talk with them, to your managers about their commitment to safety. Well, that is this short story talking about management commitments. If you need any help in improving the safety system in your company, I can help. I am a safety consultant with more than 25 years experience in the industry, and I can help you to assess your current safety situations, programs, identify the improvements, and implement solutions. Contact us with the links below, and we will be very, very happy to assist you. Thank you very much indeed for watching this video, and I look forward to talking to you very soon. Take care. Bye.